How to change username on Snapchat before 1 year. So go ahead and open Snapchat. Click your icon on the top left corner of the screen. Click on setting. And if we look into this username, we can see when the username was last changed. So screenshot this and now go to your browser. I will open Safari, type in Snapchat support, click on contact us, and tap on I found a bug, and then proceed to I want to change my username. Click on yes beside the I need more help. Tap on changing my username. Fill up this part with your account details, then add the screenshot we did a while ago. Type in that you cannot change your username and you are requesting to change it as soon as possible here in the description part. After sending this, wait for 3 to 4 business days and Snapchat should contact you through email and then you can change your username again. So that is how you change username on Snapchat before 1 year. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.